My name is Bridget Tambo. I'm here to share my testimony with everyone. I joined the PPT tribe family sometimes last year. I was introduced by a friend called Shuel Danin Dukun. She's in Cameroon. And last year, I was diagnosed with severe depression that I was taking off work for almost half a year. And during that time, I developed this cough that will not go away. I will cough until to the point where I will be like wetting myself with number one, number two, and even I was bleeding severely. Long story short, one day during communion time, Pastor Sam, while he was about to bless the communion, he decided to call my name and started prophesying about me. He talked about somebody that has a severe cough, that was a spiritual attack. All this cough is causing pain, my chest, my back, my waist, and everywhere. He described everything that I was going through. He even talked about my finances. He talked about all the problems that I'm having at my work. Well, fast forward, after all the prayers, I felt better. The cough went away. I just want to thank God for being there, for always favoring me and never letting me down, even at my lowest moment. I want to take this opportunity that I'll be going back to work in May 2022 to thank everybody in this on this platform and to thank my friend, thank Pastor Samuel, Mama Mary, Pastor Shegu, and all the prophetic pastors, and above all, to thank God Almighty for His blessings, His favors upon my life. There's nothing that is impossible that God cannot do. And with the saying, I want to say, with our God, everything is possible.